Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm sir. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to make you that for your the Telegram channel. We are reaching near about more than 1000 subscribers. I was thankful to you all because of you we are reaching this particular milestone, and we are now running around 1018 people who has joined my Telegram channel, and also we are nearing around 4000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So for that I am going to give you such a great surprise to you all on my Telegram channel as well as my YouTube channel, that I am going to give you the real time alert on my Telegram channel and based on the Bollinger Band breakout on 15 minutes and 16 minutes and daily time frame. So these three which I am going to send you on your the alerts, those stocks which is filtered by the scanner, I am going to share with you on the Telegram channel on timing basis, either 15 minutes or it is maybe hourly or even 1 hour time daily time frame. So that I am going to share you on my Telegram channel. That will be like a message. So for example, how you get that message like this. So every time you got an alert, so you will be getting what the stock which is giving you under the scanner like that. So if you got any thing which is possible, so you can get that alert what are the stock which forms that kind of pattern at the what exact time and exact date. Everything you get be updated on my Telegram channel. So this is because of those, and we are reaching near about 1000 subscribers. That is my special surprise to my all subscribers, and also we are going to reach near about 4000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And keep supporting me, and thanks for your rocking support, and thanks for your subscription with my Telegram channel. So that I am going to know. So what kind of uh, candlesticks are that alert I am going to give you now? So that I am going to discuss, and so many comments and so many questions about the Bollinger Band breakout. So everyone asking you. So now I am going to create the Bollinger Band alert. Simply what I am going to do here right now. So this is what a 15 minutes Bollinger Band breakout. You everyone know that. So this will give you when the market is started immediately. When the market is started immediately, this is started making the scanners and screeners. Everyone who got it? When the market is started, you are going to get this scanner and alerts on based on Bollinger Band. So what I am going to do here, so by for example, if 9:15 any candle which forms, if after market open 9:15, if any candle which breaks the Bollinger Band upper level or lower level, this will scan and it will send you, or it will show you the alert. But 9:30 only we get a confirmation about the stock which forms that exact pattern. But meanwhile from 9:15 to 9:30 it will running, the system will run and show you all the stocks which forms that kind of pattern. Sometimes you see a lot of stocks in the morning around 9:16, but at the end of the 9:30 we will find out 4 stocks, 3 stocks, 2 stocks. Sometimes we may not getting many stocks. So that logic which we are using the current candle, that is a main thing about the current candle while we are using the current candle. Okay, so now what I am going to do here, something changes on that. So here I am going to take this minus 1 15 minutes candle. If we are doing this minus 1 15 minutes, here also we are taking the minus 1 15 minutes candle is less than the breakout bracket of minus 2 15 minutes candle. So last candle we are going to take it right now. So if you run the scan, you got a lot of stocks here. So Bandhan Bank, Comprang Divis Lab. So these stocks which is exactly form the candlesticks that is breakout pattern, that happened by, this is not happened by, so what we have seen previously, that is 3:30 closing. Here what we are checking that is comes around 3:15 closing. So can we check it this? Okay. So now I go to charting. Sorry, we will go for a charts. The stock which is forms Bandhan Bank on 15 minutes. Let's try with do that. Let's add a Bollinger Band. Go for a 15 minutes. Can you see? This was the confirmed one where we are going to, this is happening by 3:15, not by 3:30. This is happening by 3:15. That is the closing time of this candle. This candle is closed 3:30. Here, what are the time frame which is showing? That is the opening time. So, 3 o'clock and 3:15. That ending with the 3:30. But as per this scanner right now, we got those candle which is closed by 3:15. The confirmed stocks we are going to filter out here somewhere around 3 o'clock, and the next one should be Crompton and Divis Lab. Let's see, everything was forming that kind of pattern. Here, Divis Lab, Crompton. Here, got it? So this is one we are going to, I am going to send these alerts. So if you are going to take the back test at, this is happening by 9:30, means closing hours of 9:30. Yesterday BHEL, About India, IEX, let's say see BHEL. Yesterday it forms around 9:30. This is the first candle, but the alert will get by 9:30 only, because the closing hours we are going to get the alert. So while if you are running the real-time alerts, you may be getting some stocks, it is crossing above that level and immediately fallen below, so that stock will be repainted, or it will not show. Initially it show, but immediately if market closes below that Bollinger Band, it will remove. So that to avoid that error, so we are using the -1 candles now. So this will plot you those stock which forms exact pattern. So I'm going to change this. $15 minutes. That is Bollinger Band. It's going to make 15 minutes. Got it? Same like that. I'm going to change that hourly Bollinger Band breakout on hourly time frame. That here we are going to change the smaller changes to get the confirm result. Right? So let's we do it here and run the scan. So we don't get it out. But here at 10:15, that is the closing. So we find lot of stocks here. HDFC, Apollo Tyre, Zeal on 1st of October. Right, let's say HDFC Bank, whether this forms a right pattern. HDFC Bank by 16 minutes. This is by downside. Apollo Tyre, Zeal. Apollo Tyre downside, not triggers. Zeal downside, and it moves down from 297 to somewhere around 284. I think this is the first candle. Sorry, this is the first candle where it is broken below 297 and it moves down towards 284. That is what my stop loss is 303. So it is not trigger. So this one I'm going to change it here again. The Bollinger Band breakout. $16 minutes. So 2-1, and the third one, last one, daily. So daily also we are going to do here, we are doing a latest candle and -1 candle, because we are doing a daily basis. End of the market we are going to get it out. This is what the right one. We are not going to change any of this parameter. I'm going to get it now. TVS motor which forms a daily breakout pattern. So tomorrow if it is breaks higher level, right? Okay, this is what not a daily. Here we find a daily chart. If it is breaks above the level of 5969, we can go for a long opportunity. That's about this video and how we are going to get the alerts. So let you update. Wait. So these are my three patterns: daily, daily, hourly, and 15 minutes that I am going to update on my candlesticks pattern charts. I am going to update that those stock which is scanned real time, I will share you with that on real time basis to make you happy. And if you are new to my video and new to my channel, kindly subscribe that my YouTube channel, and also you can join my Telegram channel. So many of them are asking about my Telegram channel link. So someone who not able to find out the link of my Telegram, so now I will show you the link where you can type it manually and get it out. The link about my Telegram channel is nothing but here is my Telegram channel link. So you can this is my Telegram channel link. You can note it down and you can manually type also, you will be getting. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. I have already updated. You just search for candlesticks patterns traders in Telegram. You will be getting that. Or you can use this link to directly find out my Telegram channel. And thank you for watching, and keep subscribing. If you have any questions and doubt, you ask me, and tomorrow morning onwards you are going to get that breakout scanner. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.